With Project 9-3, they want us to log in and play with processes. First, we create a sleep process and tell it to sleep for 6,000 seconds. We notice when we hit enter, we don't get a command prompt because it is executing in the foreground. So the sleep command is going to run, and the bash shell prompt has basically forked and started a new process, and it's got to wait for sleep to finish. So hitting the left control key on the keyboard and C will terminate it. If you try to use the right control key, you'll have issues because that is reserved for VirtualBox. Now if we type sleep 6,000 and put the AND symbol, it puts sleep in the background. It still executes, but we get the command prompt back. We can foreground it using the FG and %1. You could also type in jobs right here to look and see that it is job number 1. So foregrounding %1 says bring the job 1 to the foreground. And again, our command prompt is locked until we hit Control C. Or we could background it again by hitting Control Z on the keyboard. So we'll hit Control C, and they want us to open up 3 sleep processes. So I'll hit my up arrow key a few times to where we have sleep 6,000 and I'll hit enter, up arrow, enter, up arrow, enter. So now we have 3 processes. I observe the process IDs are all around 1800s on my computer. They'll be different on your machines. Type jobs. There's the 3 jobs running. It says type in kill %. I don't get any output, but if I type in jobs, I see that the last one, number 3, is in the terminated states. So after time, that'll finally disappear. They want us to kill %1 to try to kill the top one. Again, it doesn't say this, but I'm going to type jobs to see what happens. And I see that 3 has already gone away, and number 1 is now being terminated. And then the kill all sleep command would kill any process that has the word sleep in it. So it killed the last process. If we used kill all sleep at the first, it would have killed all 3 of them. Now they want us to place another sleep command in the background process. Then they want us to set a sleep command with a priority of 19, the lowest priority, meaning that if any other application wants to run, it has to back out of the way. So sleep 6,000 and I observe the 2 process IDs, 1825 and 1826 there. Now we'll go down and execute the PS command. And this is one of the reasons I made the video, is because of some odd output. So notice there are 3 sleep commands running. You see the 2 that are running on TTY2, those are the ones that you created. One of them has a question mark. That is a background daemon in CentOS that has created that sleep process. It sleeps every 60 seconds and wakes up and will do something. Probably something with a cron daemon or some other system. So you can ignore the one that has a question mark and only pay attention to the TTY2 values. And we also see that we have a -19 for the nice value. And we see another one has a nice value of 0, the top one. Yours may be in slightly different order than mine. Also, looking at the first column shows the process ID. The second column shows the parent process ID, which would be the bash shell that started the sleep command. So the 1649 is the parent process ID, and the 1800s are the process ID of the 2 sleep commands. So it wants us to re-nice the one with the 0 nice value. and they want us to set it +10, and we'll put into 1825. Of course, your number will be different than mine. I'll hit my up arrow key twice and re-execute the PS and see that the nice value has changed from 0 to 9. At this point, you'd want to take a screenshot and then exit the system.